skies ain't coming, turning all the clouds gray. Baby, I can see a storm warning. I'm boarding all the windows up today. And the ghosts have been calling. You don't hear a word they say, so let me do all the talking. I'll keep your troubles at bay. 'Cause it's you and me, till the end of the line. It's you and me, sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through a certain light, I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me.
We're at Universal Studios now. Hot tip for players, man, get the express pass. Holy shit. That's the line. That's the everyday person line. That's express over there. We literally walk past hundreds of people to only stand in line with like 3 people in front of us, and we're already through the gate. I reckon it's like an easily 1 hour queue for everyone else. So express pass all the frickin' way. Anyways, have a look at some cool shit.
Till they say last call, it's you and me, gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel right by your side, hold on till the end of the line.
The sun, cue the waves, cue the thunder, cue the rain, and action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
I'm live here in...
Alright, so we just did the lights, camera, action, I think that's what it was called, experience. It really puts into perspective how much goes into film, and I think we overlook that every time that we do watch a film. I mean, there's choreography that goes all into it with the fire and the sound and the lightning. I don't know, I guess if I have anything to take away is I guess I really got to up my YouTube game and get some sound effects and lightning and maybe even some fire or more fire. But yeah, super cool. Enjoyed that. But yeah, we're hitting around to the Transformers area, so if I can get out of here with a Camaro, I'd be pretty happy. See how we go.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble...
Security breach. Level 2. Lockdown.
Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right.
So we just did the Transformers ride, which means I'm close on my mission. I found my Camaro. Just got to figure out how to get it out of here. I reckon just pin it and see what happens. We got this.
Proves you haven't lost your will. Soon the road will be clear. The days only go up from here. And I know that it's lonely. You got all the strength you need. So when the dark starts creeping in, baby, you don't have to worry about a thing. 'Cause it's you and me, till the end of the line. It's you and me, sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through a certain light, I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me.
So we're just having a quick sit down. The idea was to film the Mummy ride, but when we got to the gate, it was like no cameras allowed. So had to stash that real quick, and for good reason. It throws you around everywhere. It's fast, it's dark. Like, even if you have pockets, you probably want to make sure that they're well sealed so you don't lose anything. But I can recommend that. Was a good experience, really, really fun. I'd do it again. I don't think the dreaded Sue will do it again, but she screamed and I laughed the whole time. So yeah, adventure, each their own.
It's you and me, gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel, right by your side. Hold on till the end of the line. It's you and me, till the end of the line. It's you and me, sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through the
Hopefully that footage turned out really, really well. I just did the Jurassic Park water ride thing. It was really, really, really cool. You will get wet. It's a lucky dip of who gets the wettest. It's definitely a little bit of a whitewater rafting kind of G-up thing, you know. Yeah, super, super cool. Recommend it. It's $5 to use the AirPods to dry yourself off, but to be honest, I'm going to drip dry because I'm nice and cool now, so I can walk around for ages.
till they say last call. It's you and me, gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel, right by your side. Hold on till the end of the line.
All right, we've had an amazing day here at Universal Studios. Lots of super, super cool stuff going on everywhere. It's a whole day. It is absolutely a whole day. It is a hot day. Drink plenty, plenty, plenty of water. You can get drinks and stuff. You can buy this little Frozy cup thing, and then like it's about 600 ml, you know, yard glass looking thing. You got $5 refills. That's really cool, but it's just a lot of sugar. Water. Just bring water. At the gate that says that, you know, like you can't bring in food and drinks to the whole joint, but I mean, no one checked our bags, so bring bottles of water. I can't stress that enough. And man, if there's an opportunity to get wet in a ride, take it. Bloody hell, it's hot. I think we're just going to walk around now and do the novelty shop bit, you know, remortgage the house with stupid stuffed animal stuff. But yeah, we'll see how we go and see what other fun we can find. But so far, it's been a really good day. I sleep well tonight. Anyways, yeah, they're G'ing up this thing here, merry-go-round thing. I don't know, it's not for me, it's too slow. But yeah, see what else we can find. We actually found something really, really cool on the way out. It's a Harry Potter interactive art exhibition. I'm not the biggest fan, but fun's not always about me. So here we go, we're going in.
Wonderful message, everyone. Now it's time to step into the nightmare.
Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the air, beware. It's written in blood.
Alrighty, we just left the Harry Potter thing. It was actually a lot better than I was anticipating. Very interactive, very cool. If it's here and you get a chance to come here to Sentosa Island and stuff, it's very, very close to Universal Studios, so you can hang out there for the day, then come here and have a quick squeeze around. It's about 45 minutes to go through. It will take longer. It's really up to you how quick you go through it all and how fast you want to get through it all, but really, really cool. Yeah, give it a go. It's super sweet. Alrighty, so we've had an absolutely amazing day going to Universal Studios, the Harry Potter art exhibition thing. Now, have a look at that. That's where I get to chill out while I swim and sip on whatever the hell's in this. It's tasty. It's alcoholic. Holy heck, is it alcoholic? But yeah, this is where the night takes us, and see you tomorrow.